my name's Andrew. I'm 25 years old, and this is my 2017 two-door Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. All right, this is my 9-panel, 90-watt Suwaki solar panel. And I usually have this on my hood during the day while it charges my 160-watt Jackery power bank. And so I usually use the power bank to charge my phone and my laptop. I have my little magnetic phone holder, which is pretty awesome when I'm driving. And then I have this little Bluetooth receiver that plugs into my cigarette lighter so that I can listen to Bluetooth. These are really awesome succulents that I got at Floor Grub's nursery, my favorite nursery in the city. And they're actually growing, surprisingly, in San Francisco. So I love this. Over here, this is my windshield blackout cover. And this is my 3-gallon water jug. I just covered it with utility carpet, so it's a little bit more stealth. And over here is just like daily essentials, like whenever I have to go to shower, I have like my shampoo and stuff. And this one is like my face wash and toothbrush and whatnot.
Someday soon, I'ma get down on one knee for you. One day, oh my, I'ma be one of those merry guys. Oh, sucking in my gut, scratching off tickets and praying for luck. Oh yeah. Time over the hills and under the moon and way past this desert town, out with the old and in with the youth, out with the old and in with the youth.
So I decided to live in my Jeep mainly because I wanted the freedom of like exploring and having adventures and being able to bring my home wherever I go. And I've been following the van life movement for like a few years now. So I decided, since I just finished grad school that I might as well just do it. And I wanted to be in beautiful San Francisco during the summer, learn how to surf and all that fun stuff. All right, so this is the passenger side, also my dishwashing station. So I have a bottle with some dish soap and water. This is just like clean water for rinsing. So this is washing, rinsing, and then this is a little towel for drying. So behind my passenger seat, this is my kitchen area. So I have one plate, one bowl, one set of utensils, and one little cup. So my biggest challenge doing stealth camping is literally the bathrooms, because sometimes I'll wake up at like 3 in the morning, because I have to go number 1 or number 2. And it's like all of the restrooms and facilities are closed. So it's like, what are you gonna do? So it's like knowing where like some of the like 24/7 restrooms are is really good to understand. And also trying not to pee on a bush or pee on a tree. I learned to use the outdoor showers at the beach. I learned to use the public restrooms in the different facilities here. And then for sleeping, I actually sleep in some of the residential neighborhoods in the northern part of San Francisco. I try not to sleep in areas that are like way too expensive because they often have security at night and I've been shooed away a couple times. But I know like the safe places where I can park, where I don't have to feel paranoid about, randos looking into my window. My surfboard also doubles as my bed. So I used to have a 1/2-inch piece plywood board, but I realized if I wanted a surfboard, it could actually replace my bed. So it takes me about 5 minutes to set up and take down. So let me show you guys how I do it.
Green and berry, so you've known, while you hide your shoulders from the cold. Green and berry, that's what you're shown. You read it all in the story that's been bought and sold. Money can't really buy you nothing. Oh, the fool and his money I easily parted. Never say die, stay aside. Don't need I know. Take French leave and I'm drunk overseas. No wonder hear me in my lungs quietly. Like a thoroughbred, I'm a gentleman, just looking for a friend to ride the river with. 'Cause money can't really buy you nothing. The fool and his money I easily parted. Never say die and stay aside. Don't need I know.
And yeah, so that's how I basically sleep in my Jeep. I have the blackout covers on this and on all the sides so that it's like completely dark.
Listen to the vibe in another heart. Leave the devil
I used to have a rear plastic window for my Jeep, but the zipper broke, and so I ripped it off and I put some galvanized steel mesh. I locked it in with some screws through the soft top. I covered the screws with Velcro so it's not noticeable. And then I added some fiberglass netting so that no bugs can get in, and also if it rains, the rain will kind of just roll off. So this is kind of like a security measure and also allows me a lot of airflow if I open one of my windows. And at night I have a blackout curtain that is Velcroed onto the back and it'll block the air so it's not that cold at night. I've learned about myself that I'm not really the type to just like stay inside and go on Netflix or browse on my phone, because whenever I'm living the Jeep life I kind of have to be outside, and that makes me want to jog more. I'm like jogging way more often than I did before. I decided to like take on surfing, go hiking more. So I discovered that I like more outdoor activity on a daily basis, not like once a month. Like doing it daily is like really fun, and I feel like I explore more areas that way. So this is the back of the Jeep. This is an aftermarket steel bumper with some LED lights. I usually like to keep my wetsuit on here after I surf so it can dry. Oops. And I usually lock the tailgate so that no one can steal it. So opening up the tailgate, a little tent that I haven't used yet. When my friends want to go camping, I'll use that. This is a little DC powered vacuum, which is super important because I track in so much sand. Got some hiking boots. I got 3 little storage bins. This one is just camping stuff. This one is extra clothes to keep it like nice, dry, and organized. And then the top one is tools. And over here, I have my 50-quart ARB fridge, and it charges using the car battery. And it's been really good to keep all my food nice and cold. Yeah, so I actually do have a YouTube channel. I only have 2 videos so far because I'm pretty new. But you can follow me at Blue Jeep Life on YouTube. And then on Instagram, you can find me at Firefowl. So on Instagram, I usually post like daily like stories of like where I'm at, where I'm hiking, where I'm surfing, like what I'm eating, like how Jeep life is in general. But yeah, if you'd like to learn more, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you're a van lifer in the Bay, feel free to ask me if you want to hang out, because I don't know any other van lifers out here. But yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching.